to film every day, Monday to Friday, showing you what uni is like. Today's Monday, obviously, and I'm about to go to my first lecture of the day. It is, oh my god, it's raining. That's what it is, it's actually raining. Yeah, I'm about to go to my first lecture of the day, and I'm upset that I haven't got a hood right now. Wow, I actually can't believe I completely forgot to wear a hooded jacket. That's actually really sad. Yeah, I'm kind of not going to be late, but like I'm pushing it for time. Hence why I'm vlogging whilst walking, because I would never normally do that. Okay, so we've gone to Portland Coffee & Co. I'm currently with Emily and Nina. And I just booked 2 fitness classes, one for tomorrow and one for Wednesday. One's called Body Attack and one's called What Bike Hit. So that's going to be interesting. Lord help me, that's going to be so bad. Let's hope I survive, because not gonna lie, how is that gonna happen? Look, he's back again. He's back.
In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps.
So remember I said Joe ran a marathon?
He didn't run any of them.
He ran the London marathon. I can't zoom in. What is going on?
You don't have an umbrella either.
No.
Umbrella, Ella, no umbrella.
Ella, no.
Ella, no umbrella.
So this is our weekly feature in the vlog.
To the 5
Joe's
building.
week, yeah. And the weekly walking, we're asking, what is that building?
Yeah,
We asked that last week. Is there any update? No one's literally replied. Sure.
I might reply. Just asking what is that building. So it's still there.
Okay, well, we're actually walking in the same place too. Look, amazing.
This will be every single week.
the segment when we walk to creative writing.
There'll be a week where we'll do this whole vlog with our eyes shut.
I'm feeling less tired this week, everyone. Do you know that? It's because I have a full coffee today.
Did you go to bed there?
I went to bed at 10.
Oh,
Yeah, I know.
well done.
It's amazing. Oh, you really did go to bed at 10, I know. I'm currently going to go do my washing. I have my basket and everything. Very functional. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday now. I didn't vlog much last night because I wasn't feeling very great. However, today I feel much better. And oh, that's interesting. I've just done that real shiny little tush I got. Yeah, no. So today I have a lecture at 10 and a lecture at 3, which means I have a few hours gap in between, which means I may potentially come home and sort my pigsty of a room out before going back out to like sort my work life out, because yesterday I went to go see my friends, which was so fun and like lovely friends, but I'm now behind on reading, so happy days. So today the plan is to get caught back up and to slay, literally slay uni, because I feel like I've fallen so far behind and I'm now doing purple eyeshadow and I literally didn't even make this conscious decision myself. So great. Oh, and did I mention I'm also running late. Always running late. I'm literally going to be late. Like there's no way I'm going to be ready on time. Jesus. I mean, Ella.
Missing someone. Is as normal. Missing someone.
Good afternoon. So as you can see, I was just putting away my washing. I still have some things that are dry, so they have to wait until I get home. But I am now gonna leave slightly early. My lecture is obviously at 3 PM. However, I want to go to a coffee shop or the library or something, and I need to do some work, and I just want to get out. Like, I don't want to stay in my room all day today for once. So yes, it's very exciting. What am I going to do? I don't know whether to do language and context notes or if I should do Old English.
Ella's lost her shoe. Ella's lost her shoe. Ella's lost her shoe. Ella's lost her shoe. Thank you.
Okay, so myself and Hannah, who is my flatmate by the way, we just went to a talk, like an information evening, like a half an hour chat, basically about KISS, the charity, which we're going to be getting involved in, aren't we, Hannah? Well, Hannah's already involved in it, but I'm not. So fun. I made it. I'm actually sweating from the walk. Wow, it's bad. I decided not to go to the body attack class, and I'm just going to do my own thing. I'm not really feeling someone bossing me about today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in a bit of a mood. A little bit hormonal on the period. So I'm going to do my own thing at the gym. Hey everyone, we're all in Hannah's room. Right, well, it's currently 11:30.
Why are these so dirty?
Huh? Because on the AstroTurf there's like these black things. The one you like jump on the floor. Ah! It really hurts.
I don't know what's going on. Okay, so what's your plan for the rest of the evening, Lally?
Sleep.
Sleep. Guess what, guys? I went to the gym today. Are you proud of me? Oh my god, look, goals. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a Wednesday, and I have one seminar today at 9, and then I am free for the rest of the day. I'm actually going out tonight with the friend I went out with last week. I'm not sure what club we're going to, but we are going out. And of course, that will be vlogged for you. Today I'm going to go, but after my seminar I am actually going to go and study at the library or a coffee shop or something, or anywhere I can really, because all the line's not really free spaces at uni. That's something you'll learn. I got a pumpkin spice latte. No surprises there. I'm with Hannah. We live together next door. It's my next door neighbour. And I'm going to do some work. Fun.
Leeway. Why are we here?
Literally. So today we're doing a plagiarism workshop.
Well, how can you?
Yeah, we're doing about plagiarism and academic writing.
And word count. Allegedly.
It's thrilling. It's going to be thrilling and engaging and exciting.
I can even lift my face to smile. My face is
It's like, do you know what? PMA, positive mental attitude.
optimism.
Do you know what? I'm just going on Pretty Little Thing and buy some dresses or whatever.
Same.
Same. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So, I'm going out tonight. We are going to Stealth again because we really enjoyed Stealth last week and it was a good time. So we thought, why not go again? If you're wondering what I'm drinking tonight, so I'm sure you've all heard of Echo Falls wine. I know I have. I know it's normally the drink I have, like Echo Falls Rosé. Have a bottle of that. kind of sorted for the night. This is what we're trialing today. Well, not trialing, I had a little bit. But Echo Falls vodka. Doesn't that sound rather swanky? Very excited. We'll see how this goes. I'll let you know how well it goes. Fun times, fun times. Also, check the highlight. Ow, I'm like, oh, she is shining. Listen, Andrew.
Yep.
Talk to them. Tell them what is going on.
They're about to go out.
About
It's
to
going
go
to be great fun. They're going to have a great night.
Yeah.
You can just see. I mean, look at the amount of children.
She needs help.
She does.
True. Okay, so this is Kyle. He's edgy, apparently.
Follow me on Instagram, Kyle.
Oh my god! Okay, you're all in it now. Well done. Oh my god! Wow.
Is that what you're supposed to do?
I mean,
Like, follow, subscribe. Smash that like button.
turn off the camera.
Comment.
He knows what he's
Comment.
doing.
Thank you. Yeah. He's on SoundCloud. Do you know what I mean? Put his link down below. Maybe use your copyright free in my videos.
No.
Okay. Okay. Good morning and welcome to the Ella Show. So, it is now Thursday. I haven't even looked at the vlog footage from last night and I dread to. I think it's going to be a shambles. But today I have a seminar at 1 and then I'm going to go to the library and I'm going to do some work and then I'm going to go to the gym later. And I'm going to come home and tidy my room and pack because I'm going home tomorrow evening and I am so excited about it. I am so excited to go home. Like, I am really, really excited to see my mum and dad and to go home and see my room. My room's been redecorated, so if you've been watching my sit down videos when I was at home, my room is like vibrant bright pink. No more. It is not anymore. It is now all white. And I have a white bed frame, a new white bed frame. I might be having a mirror and I'm very excited about it. I want to buy some plants for my room at home, just to brighten it up and add some colour. But I'm very excited to see it, see how it's turned out. Obviously, I'm not living there full time at the moment, but I'm going to be living there in summer. And technically I'm going to be there for about 3 months, so I want it to be homey. Do you know what I mean? I kind of want to like sort this room out. Like really sort out like the storage space situation because I need storage space urgently. Like urgently, like all my stuff is just everywhere. It's such an issue. Good evening, everybody. So, I have just properly tidied my room and like I'm about to hoover it, and I've also packed because I'm going home tomorrow. I'm so excited to see my family. I'm going home tomorrow, so I'm very excited. However, basically, I feel like my room is severely, and I mean severely lacking storage space. Hence why it always gets so messy, because don't have places for stuff, because honestly I've got these 3 drawers, my wardrobe, and then the 3 drawers there, and that's it. So I've ordered like a freestanding black shelf to go right next to my bed there, and it's got 5 tiers and it should literally go up to where my curtains are. And then I've got some like black storage boxes to put everything in, and hopefully that should help me keep my room a lot tidier, and also give me more room to put stuff in, because like, not gonna lie, I'm finding it really hard to keep my room tidy as it is right now, because I just have nowhere to put stuff, genuinely. So yeah, that's where we're currently at. And this evening I still am yet to make my dinner, so I'm going to do that, and then I need to do some reading, and I want to write up some of my notes from my lecture, and I'm not going to go to the gym today, only because I'm honestly exhausted from going out last night. Like, I'm really tired, so that's not happening. I am going home today. I am very excited. So, essentially, this morning, I need to go to the library. I need to go to my seminar tutor to ask her if my assessed work is right. And I need to go to the doctors, because I'm going to ask about getting the implant. Fun times. Whoa. Fear? Whoa. I'm so excited. So that's the end of the weekly vlog, guys. I just want to say that I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I really enjoyed making the vlog this week. I'm starting to get into the flow of these weekly vlogs. I feel like we should make this like an actually weekly thing. Like, Sundays is the vlog day and Wednesdays is the other kind of video day, because I really enjoy making vlogs, and I also really enjoy watching them back like weeks in advance, and I hope you guys do too. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Obviously hit the notification bell if you want to get notifications every time I upload, because sometimes the subscription box doesn't let my videos come up and no one sees them. But anyway, if you want to follow me on Twitter or Insta, my @ is @LMAHoughton. For the most up-to-date information, I always post on my Instagram, so if you want to know what's going on or why there's not a video one week, or if you want to know the most up-to-date information about what I'm doing, then go on there. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!